Every journey begins at the source. This is where jackfruit grows, nurtured by climate, soil, and time.
Before jackfruit enters a modern processing factory, it must reach peak maturity on the tree.
Only properly developed jackfruit is selected. Size, color, and firmness decide its industrial destiny.
The thick outer shell of jackfruit protects one of nature's most complex fruits inside.
Harvesting jackfruit is a precise operation, handled carefully to preserve internal quality. A single mistake can damage jackfruit, reducing its processing value. Freshly harvested jackfruit is never dropped. Impact control starts right here. Initial field-level sorting ensures jackfruit meets factory intake standards. Even before transport, jackfruit undergoes basic preparation to prevent contamination. From this point forward, jackfruit leaves the field and enters the world of industrial precision. Once harvested, jackfruit is transferred into breathable crates to prevent heat buildup. Each crate of jackfruit is batch organized, ensuring traceability from farm to factory. Handling efficiency is critical. Jackfruit must move fast without bruising. Because of its weight and shape, jackfruit requires customized handling protocols. This collection zone acts as the first control point for jackfruit entering industrial flow. Visual inspection removes compromised jackfruit before transport costs are incurred. Good jackfruit is separated instantly. Quality decisions happen in seconds. Protection during movement ensures jackfruit arrives intact and process-ready. No compression, no stacking errors. Jackfruit demands space. With collection complete, jackfruit now begins its transition from agriculture to industry. Before processing begins, jackfruit must arrive in a controlled environment. Temperature-managed transport preserves jackfruit texture and aroma. Air circulation is critical. Jackfruit continues to respire even after harvest. A sealed journey begins, protecting jackfruit from heat and contamination. Time is quality. Every minute matters when moving jackfruit to processing. Temperature-managed transport preserves jackfruit texture and aroma. Air circulation is critical. Jackfruit continues to respire even after harvest. A sealed journey begins, protecting jackfruit from heat and contamination. Time is quality. Every minute matters when moving jackfruit to processing.
This is where raw jackfruit meets industrial precision.
Dock synchronization ensures jackfruit enters the facility without delay. Manual handling ends here. Jackfruit now follows a controlled mechanical flow. Every batch of jackfruit is digitally logged for traceability and quality control. Before transformation, every jackfruit must pass strict quality benchmarks.
Surface integrity determines how well jackfruit performs during processing.
Automated systems categorize jackfruit by weight and dimension. Data-driven inspection eliminates guesswork in jackfruit selection. Even with machines,
human expertise still guides jackfruit quality decisions.
Industrial washing removes field residue from jackfruit without damaging the rind. Each jackfruit is sanitized using food-grade protocols. Advanced detection ensures only clean jackfruit moves forward. Moisture control is critical before jackfruit is opened. Preparation complete. Jackfruit is now ready for transformation. This is the heart of the factory, where jackfruit is finally opened. Because of its tough rind, jackfruit requires specialized cutting systems. Latex management is critical when processing jackfruit at scale.
Inside every jackfruit lies complex structure: bulbs, fibers, and seeds. Automation allows delicate separation of jackfruit without crushing.
Each jackfruit is fractioned. Nothing goes to waste.
Once extracted, jackfruit enters a continuous processing stream. The
Consistency defines quality in processed jackfruit. Thermal stabilization locks in color and flavor of jackfruit. Transformation complete. Jackfruit is now market ready. After processing, jackfruit moves into high-speed packaging.
precision dosing ensures every pack of jackfruit meets exact standards.
Airtight sealing protects jackfruit from oxygen and moisture.
Every jackfruit package is fully traceable from factory to consumer.
Final inspection confirms jackfruit quality one last time. Automation maximizes efficiency without damaging jackfruit.
Controlled storage preserves jackfruit freshness before dispatch.
From storage, jackfruit enters the global supply chain.
Processed jackfruit now travels across cities and countries. From fresh harvest to industrial perfection, this is the journey of jackfruit.